Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 46 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic and that is the power of hope. So let's start. Hope is something that helps us to move forward in life. Hope is that light which helps us to see positivity around us during darkness. Everyone should hope in life, whether they are at any point of difficulty. Everyone should hope in life is that thing where we face success also, failure also, happiness also, or sadness also, but it depends on us how we be positive in that surrounding. In case of having struggle and difficulty, we should always hope positive, that whatever will happen for good. There is example. I will tell you example regarding hope. That is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was the scientist who tried 1,000 times to discover electric bulb, but he failed. He didn't able to invent. But after that, he didn't lose hope, and when he didn't lose hope, he was able to invent. So, what does this story tell us? Whatever your difficulties, whatever your failure is, you continue to try until last, till you achieve that. That is hope. And also, hope is not only related to studies. Means in life also hope is really important. We have all grown by watching TV serials, and in TV serials, what does it say? When when doctor loses hope that, but if when doctor loses hope and says that the patient will not be anymore, then also if someone hope that yes, he will be fine, God, believe in God, then that hope also result in good way. So hope is really important in life. If we are facing difficulty, if we are facing sufferings in life, then hope is that light which can lighten that darkness, which can remove that darkness in our life. So hope is really important in life, and the power of hope is really important because it creates positivity. It gives us uh, thinking that yes, something good can happen. So we should always think positive, because positive thing only will bring positive surrounding, positive mindset, and positive mindset will give us success. As an aspirant, I think that hope really matters a lot, because if someone fails one time, if we lose hope and we will not try, then we will definitely fail another time. So we should never lose hope. We should try to continue to work hard till that we achieve success. There is a famous quote of Swami Vivekanand that arise, arose, and start and stop not until you reach your target. So we should try and try until we didn't achieve that target. So we should always try. We should take example of Thomas Edison also, na, that he has sacrificed so much, but for the inventing the electric bulb. He has tried and tried. He has failed thousands of times, but at last he was able to invent that bulb. So what does this story means? That what it doesn't matter whatever how much time we fails. It matters how we stand up and fight again for our desire. So I will conclude that we should always hope positive. We should always think positive. We should try and try until we achieve success in life. We should never fail. We should never think about failure or fear from failure. We should try and try. And if we think positive, if we have a good hope, then definitely we will achieve success in life. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share. And if any mistake you found that I have something I have said wrong, you can comment in comment box. So That's all for today video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and have fun.